Today we're gonna do duck confit, this iconic French dish, which is a cured duck and cooked very slowly. Confit means slowly cooked in his own fat. So as you can see maybe on YouTube, one of my video actually in one of my past video was the duck confit made from scratch. But that takes over a few days and few hours. So today is not about that. Today is about fixing a meal in a short time for your family. And then, so we're not gonna do the confit from raw ingredient, but we're gonna just go to Atout at the retail store and get this beautiful confit duck leg already prepared, already ready to eat, just ready to reheat in fact. So the duck is cured with gray sea salt, black peppercorn, garlic, and thyme, bay leaf, and rosemary and herbs. There is no sugar, there is absolutely no carbs, there's absolutely no preservative in this duck. It's absolutely natural, and that is all about fresh food. Even if it's a cured meat which preserved for months. In fact, just like this, cooked in his own fat in a bag can last about 3 months without any preservative. So why having them, and why putting sugars in the food? Okay, so I'm gonna make a very simple dish with this using the roasted potato, nice large potato, anything that you can find close to you, peeled and cut in dice. Some garlic, which I'm gonna just crush it slightly onto my potato. Some thyme, rosemary, and I'm not even adding salt to it because my duck confit is already salted and I don't need extra salt for this dish. Look at that. So this baking dish at the diced potato in there. Some thyme, rosemary, garlic. Look at the garlic we just simply crushed, okay? And it's baked at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. The raw potato, the garlic, the herbs, and then the duck leg confit just on top like that. And then look at that. I'm gonna just use a spoon. It's crispy outside, and then it's like nice, soft, and flaky. Huh? We call it flaky like that for the duck confit. Is the curing of the sea salt make those piece of meat like that. We call it flaky. So the potato are fully cooked now after 20. You can put 25 minutes. If you put even a little bit more, you won't kill anybody. This kind of dish are never really overcooked. Okay, and it's nice. You have some potato a bit more crispy, some a bit less. So you have a bit of softiness. You have the crispiness. That's what it's about when you eat a dish like that. Look at that up presentation on my dish, and piece of rosemary here, a piece of thyme here. This is a duck confit ready, baked in 20-25 minutes. Best match with a nice Dijon mustard and a nice green salad. Bon appétit!